Are you the one who buy groceries for your home? If yes, you are at the right place. Hey viewers, it's me Femina. Let's see how to buy a quality tur doll and some of the interesting facts about them. Tur doll is also called as arhar doll or split pigeon peas. It is the most widely used form of lentil. Popular recipes like South Indian sambar, Gujarati dolls, and lots of other tasty Indian dishes are made using tur. It is rich in protein, high in dietary fiber, low in saturated fat, and is also cholesterol free. Being an excellent source of folic acid, pregnant women must include tur dal in their daily life. Having the general knowledge on the making, processing, and packaging can help you choose better dal for yourself. Whatever you buy, check the use by date and quality of packing. Look inside the packet to ensure that it is not infected with insects. Basically, processed dolls are of two kinds, polished and unpolished. Polished doll is processed through water, oil, marble powder, and leather to get a shinier texture which makes it non-vegan. Unpolished doll, pulses or grains is just cleaned and packaged in a raw, untouched form so they are rich in nutrients. Let us see the three tempting attractions for polished doll that makes us to buy. Longer shelf life. It is not an issue for families who buy and consume on a daily basis, but for the families who prefer storing the dolls will better go for polished dolls. It has a longer shelf life for around 8 months or more till the next doll stocking season arrives, but unpolished doll needs to be consumed within 6 months of its purchase. Shinier texture. People will always prefer what looks good. Shinier doll is very attractive and seems fanciful to buyers. Pesticide free. Pesticides are used while cultivating dolls and grains. As seen above, the extensive polishing process makes the doll totally pesticide free. Seems interesting, right? If so, then there are organic dolls available too. If you prefer to go for the organic one, continue listening. Organic dolls are eco-friendly that are free of chemicals and toxins. The traditional methods of hand milling are used here, which retains the nutrients and tastes great. Also good for your digestive system as it reduces acidity and digestive GI related ailments. But how do we identify the organic doll? Let's see. Certification. Foods or products that are organic will have a certification from government that the product is authentic and natural. Label. Before buying any product, read the label carefully to know if they have added any preservatives. Price. Organic food costs a lot more than polished foods, but considering the health benefits of the former, they are definitely worth the cost. Uniformity. In regularly packed dolls, each grain is uniform in look, feel, and color, but organically grown dolls vary in size, texture, etc. Shape. While polished doll is flatter, organic dolls tend to be smaller in size, rounder in shape, and have a dull and rough texture. Taste. Organic dolls taste delicious. These are aromatic, naturally flavorsome, and you don't need to spice it up. Let's see some of the interesting and useful facts of pigeon peas. Pigeon pea trees can survive prolonged droughts of up to 6 months. Oh my god! Its roots are considered as antidote for snakebite poison. Its leaves can be used for jaundice, to relieve toothaches, reduce swelling, and treat respiratory diseases such as bronchitis and pneumonia. A fine paste made from red gram can be applied regularly with beneficial results on bald patches. One would have never thought that pigeon pea has enough strengthening agents that can help in hair growth and treat baldness. Generally, we always check for the prices and prefer brands only, be it in apparel shopping or grocery. So, why don't you compare what's in the packet? Preferring unpolished doll or organic doll will be a wiser decision as polished doll has its own benefits but limitations too. All in all, the one thing we should remember is that all that glitters is not gold. And this holds especially true for the dolls and pulses we eat. So, let's be wise and choose health over shine. If you find this video useful, give a thumbs up and share it to others. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.